legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed. Our turret is under attack.
Back of my head, I'm seeing take me for granted. You know I'm leaving, I'ma take this. The webs I'm using, I could take this crap from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Cold frostbite,
You have slain an enemy. Initiate retreat.
my mind starts feeling I don't waste my
Waktunya. You have slain an enemy. Clear up lane. Request backup.
got too little time, I'ma live up.
Kali ini launch attack.
Everything worth doing is a tough climb.
Our turret is under attack.
Time, I'ma live up.
Killing spree. Good game.
Worth doing is a tough climb.
Attack.
For the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got time, I go by
Mega
at
kill.
night. I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll still be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got time, always have a vision. I go by at night. I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll still be winning.
Launch attack.
Heroes got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. They wanna go eat
An enemy has been slain.
for me. Hope you ready for a demon.
Kali ini, gadis kecil ini
You
akan
have slain
menyelamatkan
an
seseorang.
enemy. Double kill. Initiate retreat. You have slain an enemy. Initiate retreat. Waktunya. Double kill.
Got reason.
Triple kill. Enemy double kill.
For me,
An enemy has been slain.
got eyes in the back of my head.
Maniac.
Take me for granted and you know
Hold down
I'm leaving.
and
I'ma
we
take
can win.
what's mine.
Senjata ini melambangkan keadilan. Saat diarahkan pada para murid.
Initiate retreat.
Teeth bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so
You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
starts feeling. I don't pace myself.
Hold down
I grind
and
on
we can
you.
win.
Got
Launch attack.
change. I just love the
Shut down. Our base is under attack. Launch attack. Launch attack. Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Kali ini, gadis kecil ini akan menyelamatkan seseorang.
Double kill. Launch attack. Team request backup. Unstoppable.
Kali ini, gadis kecil ini akan menyelamatkan seseorang.
Victory!
Well, I'm me, and there's no one I'd rather be.